Gusto ko ito guys, popping eh. Relaxing ha. Relaxing ha. Yan. Maganda yung popping. Balik sa pagkabata. Hi guys. Cooking tayo ng lunch day. Iko pa na ba? Chicken rice soup. Hindi ko naman pwede i-cover kung whole cook kasi matagal ito eh. 30 minutes. We right back guys. Let's eat guys. Sopas. Ay, sopas is not sopas. This is a chicken rice soup. Not sopas. With carrots and cereal and chicken. And that's it. And rice. Of course, have rice because chicken rice soup. In the Philippines, this is arroz caldo. It's called arroz caldo. Arroz caldo, chicken rice soup. Sit guys. Hot man. Sumat. We need to do like this. That's it guys. Hi guys and good morning everyone. Ay, good afternoon na pala guys. 12:30 na eh. And out unboxing tayo guys. This is olive oil. My husband ordered online. This olive oil is very healthy. You can drink this. It's really good. This olive oil is pricey. I don't know how much they buy it. Last time they bought $30. And very small. Yeah, very small guys. Alright. But it's very healthy. You need to drink this in the morning when you wake up and before bedtime. Oh, different flavor. Last time the boot is very bitter. What is Camellia organic biological. That olive oil guys. I think this is 500 ml lang guys. Very tiny. How much you bought this? Oh, 30. Probably guys, mahal na guys, 30 plus. And 500, I cannot see but I'm sure this is 500 ml. We use this for drink guys in the morning when I wake up and then before bedtime. This is good for the health. And this one we use this for cooking. This kind of olive oil. I think this one look like $13. $13 no? 15. This one guys is $15. We use this for cooking. And this one is not for cooking. This is, you need to drink this. You can use cooking but it's very expensive eh. So that's why we use only a little bit, not very expensive for cooking, that one. But you can use this for cooking. But manghihinayang ka pag gamitin mo pag cooking ko. That is very expensive. Let's see the taste guys tomorrow in the morning. Ay, later before bedtime. I don't know what is the taste of this. Smell is good. Look like, smell like if you cut the grass. Yeah, the smell is, remember guys, if you cut the grass, this is the smell. Later na to try because normal na. We try that later guys before bedtime. To drink this guys, olive oil. Tamiya Gold. Organic biological. Let's drink olive oil guys. It's this is good for the health. Usually not too much bitter. Yeah. Not too much bitter siya. The first time is very bitter. Good for the blood circulation and the heart and the skin.